Welcome to my channel, Pankaj Fine Art. Here's my first ever video of tutorial for beginners. Graphite pencil for sketch. In this video we will learn how to draw and paint human character for memory drawing subject. Let's start to draw some random male character. Here I am sketching a middle-aged man in full figure. So drawing is ready. Let's start the paint. I'm using this Camlin Artist Cake watercolor. And these are round synthetic brushes, which I'm going to use. Applying lighter blue color wash. Applying lighter tone. Applying middle tones. Leave for a minute to dry and settle down the colors. After drying little bit, start doing dark tones. If you want to learn more watercolor techniques and art tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Now start doing detailing, using darker tone of each color so you'll enhance your drawing. It's almost done. Face details. Keep it simple. Tones and lights matters. Figure is ready. The second drawing I'm going to show is of woman. Starting with lighter tones. You must assume that the area with the light source you're going to depict in your painting should already be fixed in your mind, so you can apply colors according to your lightest and darkest areas.